Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we'll talk about the load testing. Now in our last video we have created our web app. Okay, now assume like we have done everything, we have done all the customization, all the changes into our web app, but before releasing it we may want to do a load testing initially so that we know the potential issues that can arise and fix them accordingly. So for that, what I will do, I will go to my web app here. So Azure gives us the automatic load testing feature here. So here you can simply navigate to your diagnose and solve problem. So here we have this option, generate high scale load on your application to identify performance bottleneck. So you can simply click on this create Azure load testing. Here you can simply click on create button. Now you can select your resource group here. You will need to give a name to your load testing. So I can say Azure Web App load test, and here I'll select my reason. I will simply go ahead and review and will create this, and I will hit on this create button. So it will take some time and will configure load testing for me. So this is simply I'm creating a load testing where I will need to run it. So I have various options there. I will show you. So let me wait for some time to get it configured. Okay, now my resource is deployed, so I can go to my resource here. Now this load testing is ready. Now I can simply add my web app URL here. So I can click on this create a URL based test. I can say my test name. I can say this has something called first test. I can give a description as well, but for now let me go to next here. Here I will add my URL. So here I can give name of my URL of my application. So let me duplicate the tab and fetch my web app URL. I can copy my URL and here I can go to my request. I can add this. Okay, and okay, here I need to add HTTPS as well. So I can simply add it manually. HTTPS. Okay. Yep, here we go. Then I'm going to go with this get one here and let me add this. Okay, now I have added my URL as well. Now I can check other parameter here. So everything seems to fine. Here I can see the duration here. It is going to test it for 20 minutes. So I will say I run it only for 2 minutes. And here instead of this 50, let me call it as, okay, it's fine, 50 is fine. Okay, then let me go here, review and create this. Okay, after creation, I immediately want to run it. I will select this option as I want to show demo. So it will create the JMeter script and will run the load testing for this web app. So I will pause this video because it will take some time, and after that we can see our test runs here. So let me refresh. So it will take some time and then it will be visible here. So let me pause the video for some time. Alright guys, so let me go to view all test result. Okay, here this is executing. Okay, this is my test name. So I will wait for some time because I have set up it for 2 minutes. I will run it here, it is still executing. Okay, I will wait for a few more minutes, but here if you can see I have started getting my output. So the users here, what is their response time? Is there any error happen? Because I don't have anything. I haven't created. I used out of the box template. Then here it clearly sees me that there's an issue with my CPU utilization, because like I have run many users, and also I do not have any very good plan here. So in this way, you can see and you can check whether you are going to have the performance issues into your web applications. Later on, you can download all the logs, okay, and you can configure it. You can diagnose all the problem even before launching your web app. So this is how you can use Azure load testing for your web app and can figure out the potential performance bottleneck that you are going to have in nearby future. So thank you for watching this video.